Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the tab feature in Heartopia game. So guys, this is a new feature from the March 5th update in Heartopia, and you can use this feature on your friend. Okay, now my friend is on the building mode, so she will not notice me when I'm here, and I'm going to use this tab feature to make her notice that I'm here. I'm going to interact with my friend. Okay, I hope that she noticed me and interact with me. So guys, when you're in a building mode, you won't notice if there is someone who wants to interact with you. Basically, you won't notice the DG members' existence. So this feature will help us interacting with our friend, even though we're on the building mode. Okay, and then I'm just going to initiate a resonance. I'm going to do resonance with my friend. Okay guys, and that's how we can use the tab feature in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. Bye!